Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video using Photograv to take a picture of this man. Matter of fact, let me back up here and bring in the man. So there's what it looked like. Now I'm going to import that picture back. Um, there we go. So this is what the original looked like. And if you didn't watch part one to get there, the jacket really doesn't throw it off. It actually makes it look pretty cool. And the picture really doesn't do it any justice. It's pretty outstanding. Now, the only thing I can suggest to people when they're doing this is they take their ornament and they set it up in their laser, and you'd be very beneficial if you would take the man out of the picture, out of the laser bed, cut this out, and then sand it, like with 220 sandpaper. Get all the burn residue and the backsplash off the back, and then put it back in that exact same hole and run that. Now, I ran this on a 60-watt laser, an epilogue, and I ran it at 100 power, 70 speed at 400 dots per inch. And if I was going to do a lot of them, I might even try 300 dots per inch. But the picture doesn't do any justice. It looks a lot better. So for the person I was helping with this, hopefully this helped, and I'll send you the file. And if you're gonna, I don't think if you need a different size, tell me, because that you don't ever want to enlarge a picture. You don't want to ever do this to a picture because it's throwing off the dots per inch, and it might not be exactly as good as it can be. Especially if let's make it really little and just kind of show you how that would affect it. And surprisingly, it looks pretty good, but see you don't want to do that. You want to tell me what size it is. And I think, a pretty good size for an ornament. I'd be really happy to give that to somebody. And then, like I said, you could make it a little bit bigger. You could make the shape bigger and put miss you or whatever you want to put on there. But if you didn't watch part one, where to get to this point, you might want to watch that part. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.